One of the things that I tell my sellers is the way that we live in a house is not always the way that we sell a house, right? Because what's comfortable to live in and what's beautiful to see can sometimes be two totally different things, especially when we're dealing with buyers.
Now, do you get other feedback outside of your stager or individuals that you associate with to figure out what's going to make the house sell? And if you do, what does that look like?
Absolutely. So lots of opportunities to get feedback. Number one, when it goes in the MLS and when realtors bring their clients, they're automatically prompted to give feedback, right? So hopefully the realtors that show the property will give feedback. And then also we have opportunities like what we're doing today, which is having an exclusive neighbors only open house. Right, and what we did today was bring in the neighbors. We sent out a bunch of invitations to the neighbors, had several neighbors come through, take a look at the house, have some great food, have some great drinks, and give feedback. What is your favorite thing about this house? What do you love most about this house? If you could change one thing about this house, what would it be? And so those neighbors gave that feedback, and we'll give that feedback directly to the sellers, right? Because that is, the neighbors are buyers, right? They are disinterested parties that came in and said, this is the way we feel about the house. So I'll share that information with the sellers. And then there may be some tweaks that we do based off of that feedback.